TNT Tropang Giga offers Mikey Williams for Alex Stockton from Converge Fiber X Ears. TNT Shokang trade offer. Is Williams really heading to Converge for Stockton? Snow Badwa mentioned on Playback Live that TNT Tropang Giga started trade talks with Converge Fiber X Ears about Mikey Williams and Alex Stockton. A source from the MVP Group confirmed this. Pero iginiit ni Badwa na malabo itong kagatin ng Fiber X Ears lalo't noong nakaraang draft ay third round pick lang ang huling hinihingi sa Converge ng TNT para sa rights ng high-scoring shooting guard. Dagdag pa ni Badwa, maari aniyang paunang hirit lang daw ang Stockton trade dahil malamang ay may ibang pakay ang TNT sa Converge. Ito ay ang isa sa kanilang mga big men na kanilang nakuha mula sa nakalipas na draft, at maaring isa ito sa mga inaasinta ng TNT, matapos lumabo ang kanilang bid na makuha si Christian Standardinger, na sa kadahilanan kamakailan lamang ay nag-anunsyo na umano ng retirement, dahil hindi nagkasundo ang dalawang kampo sa contract negotiations ng Terraform Egypt. Despite a tough loss to the Eastern Lions last night, Alex Stockton shined like a beacon for Converge. The fiery guard put on a masterclass, racking up 18 points, 6 rebounds, and 8 assists, electrifying fans with his slick moves and unrelenting grit. Stockton is proving game by game why he's one of the PBA brightest rising stars. Mikey Williams is a prolific scorer and a game-changer for TNT, while Alex Stockton is known for his defensive capabilities and hustle on the court. For TNT Tropang Giga, trading Williams would mean parting with one of the league's top offensive talents. Stockton could bring defensive tenacity and add balance to their roster. This move might signal a shift in TNT strategy, prioritizing a more defensive approach or addressing specific needs like chemistry or salary cap flexibility. For Converge Fiber X Ears, acquiring Mikey Williams would instantly elevate their offensive power and make them a more formidable contender. They would lose a key defensive player in Stockton, which could impact their defensive identity. TNT could face challenges in replacing Williams' scoring output, but might benefit from enhanced defensive intensity and depth. Converge gains a superstar scorer but might need to adjust their defensive schemes to compensate for Stockton's absence.
Kamusta mga idol? Three Brothers TV para sa sports news and update. Kung bago ka pa lamang dito sa channel ko, pindutin mo na ang notification bell at subscribe button para lagi kang update sa mga sports news.